Yo, what up? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Check it out. Been doing these chicken tenders out here, smoking them out. It's been a couple hours right about now. Gonna make chicken bacon ranch sandwich, or a couple at least, you know. See, beautiful day. Today it was like, I don't know, 60, low 60s today, I think. I think it's like 58 right about now. Tomorrow's supposed to be 71. Yeah, just kicking it, yo. Got some of this. Put it on here. Gonna do the other side and we'll get busy. Got the bacon right here, obviously. Just load it up. Put the ranch on there. This is right there. I'm gonna put some more on top of here and then we're gonna chow down. Thai chili on there as well. Check it out. Thai chili jar. Yeah. Check it out. There it is, guys. Check it out. Got some chips on there too. Get what kind they are. They're pretty good. They're real thick. But here's the star of the show. Look at that. Looking awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All good, guys. All good. Look at these thick ass chips. All good, guys. All fucking good. Just like it says right up here. All good in the hood. This shirt I found at Goodwill like a year ago, where I used to live. And if you ever heard of Prof, he's like a rapper from the last several years. This shirt's from one of his videos. And I probably found it for like $4. Yeah. really do. So bomb. Last bite, homies. Got me there. Thanks for coming back, guys. Appreciate the love on the channel. We're almost at 1,900 subs. I love you all. If you even watch this shit, I don't know. But please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world all that cringy YouTube crap. And I will see you guys next time. Chronic Ease out. Have a good one. Peace.